Whether you've never been to Paris before or visited a dozen times, any occasion to see the City of Light is reason to celebrate. Because Paris is not just about its famous monuments. It's the aura of romance, the elegance, the sensory pleasures, and joie de vivre that sets it apart from any other city in Europe. While you're here, you'll explore the best of Paris on a choice of sightseeing tours. We'll ride the most famous streets and see iconic landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe, the Champ de Mars, and Eiffel Tower, the École Militaire, and Les Invalides, a former military hospital that is now a museum complex and site of Napoleon's tomb. We'll also cross the Seine to the Ile de la Cité, where you'll go inside the fabled Notre Dame Cathedral. If you're already familiar with Paris, you may prefer our other choice. Enjoy a walking tour of Le Marais. Set on the right bank across the 3rd and 4th arrondissement, this atmospheric quarter dates to the Middle Ages, but today is one of the city's trendiest districts. We'll see some hôtels particuliers, the urban mansions such as Sully or Carnavalet, where French aristocrats lived until the 17th century. We'll also see the Place de Vosges, the oldest planned square in Paris. Le Marais is also the city's historic Jewish quarter. Though many residents were deported during World War II, today the Jewish community still thrives here. We'll walk around and see the Jewish synagogue on Rue Pavée, the Shoah Memorial, and simply enjoy the charm of Pletzel or the Little Place.